Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the LED light in a Bosch fridge. Most modern fridges will have LED lights and will come in all shapes and sizes. But for this video, I'm changing the light in a Bosch fridge. Just make sure you get the original authentic one. And if your fridge is still under warranty, get the official Bosch service guys to do it for you, but ours isn't. So I'm going and started by switching off the power to the fridge. We've seen from our replacement part that the lighting unit is held in with plastic clips on the front and the back, and it's this that we're going to need to pop off to get the old unit out of the fridge. I could go in and just jammy it off with the end of a knife. After all, it doesn't matter if we damage the unit as we got a full replacement, but we don't want to damage the fridge. So I'm going in slow, gradually building up a thickness of membership cards and plastic gifts, vouchers, redeemed of course, gently pressing down that front edge until I hear the telltale clip of the releasing tags. Then I can get my fingers in and gently ease down the unit, releasing any remaining clips, and finally slide to the left and out of the socket. And that's the hard part, then fitting. The new one couldn't be simpler, although does require a bit of lining up to get the socket on the right hand side in the right place, but when it's just to ease it up and clip the clips and a final slide to the right gets those connectors fully into the socket. So the answer to how many practical does it take to change a light bulb is just the one. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.